Fingers, my name is Natalia, and today I'm going to show you a very special kind of card which looks like this. Now it might not look particularly special, but when you add some lights you can see the shadows dancing around in the card. Isn't that awesome? This card is really easy to create, and it's so magical, and you can put anything inside of it, like a face, a heart, a flower, bird, whatever you feel like. And I think this is one of my favorite cards because it's so unique, and the receiver even gets a chance to play around with the card and find the hidden message. Who wouldn't want that? Now I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the poll above. So if you want to see some more of these kind of DIYs in the future, subscribe to this channel and remember to hit the bell button below so you don't miss out. So let's just begin. Here's what you need. Do you have everything ready? Ting-arific! Let's begin! Now take your phone and then find a silhouette of a profile picture. Place a piece of paper on top of it and then sketch around it. Then cut it out. Then place the stencil on some decorative paper. Then sketch around it. Then add a 1 cm rectangular wing on the back of it and then cut it out. Take your construction paper and then fold it in half. Now we need to find a placement for this head, so the shadowing will work. You can use the same stencil as you did to create the head, place it on the card with a piece of tape, and then play around with it until you find the right placement. When you do, sketch around the stencil. Add another figure on the other side of the card, like a hand, and then make sure that everything looks okay before you mark the placement of this head. Now decorate your card and then add a poem before creating an opening. Now sketch along the middle fold of the card in between the markings you made earlier. Then take your box cutter and then cut this line open. Now gently feed the head through the opening. The centimeter you added earlier should poke through the opening. Now fold your card in half and then sketch along this line here, so you know where to fold the head. So gently pull it out and then fold along the line. Now we need to assemble all of the pieces, so place the head back into the card, put some glue on the wing here, and then glue it onto the back of the card. Put some glue all over the back piece of the card, place the front piece right on top, and then press down firmly to make them stick together. Now your shadow dancing card is complete. There are many ways of creating this. You just need to find the one. I hope you enjoy watching, and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos in this channel, you need to subscribe and be a part of a lovely Tinker family here and Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe, and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!